Today I'm going to discuss about generics in Swift. And what is generic? Generic is used to define reusable concept. Define reusable types such as integer, strings, and decodable, codable, protocol. It combine codable and decodable and encodable and decodable. So we're gonna create an example. Firstly, we will create a generic function. Convert, which is T, T, which is type of decodable protocol, which have mention of one protocol decodable. Okay, and in this convert function, data, which is type of data. Okay, now written in this function generic optional, T optional, written in this function. So let model is equal to try optional, and generic optional is calling on JSON decoder dot decode T dot self, and data will pass on this data, and return model suppose which have print on this model. Okay, now we will use in this method. So firstly we will create on this data, then now we are going to create data. So let data JSON used to JSON convert on this data, and data convert on this decodable protocol. So let str is equal to and str is equal to, okay, so now this is the username, which is type of this username key, and by using JSON is the dictionary, like this, just like a dictionary. Username, suppose this is a Risalat, and password, one two three four five six seven eight. Okay, no, in this str this is the JSON, and JSON convert on this data. So let data is equal to str dot data using dot utf8. Okay, no, then okay, data is created, and then convert on this model. Suppose in this data fill on this decodable model. So struct, now we can create on this struct credential, which is confirm of decodable protocol, and now we're gonna create a var username, which is type of a string, and var password is type of a string. Okay, now we're gonna convert on this generic function user, we're gonna convert on this data into model. So let credential object is equal to subject, which is type of our credential, and this is the optional. Okay, now is equal to convert, method use of the convert. Our method create on this convert data, and we're gonna create on this data. This is data, pass on this our data. Okay, and data is the optional, so this is the force unwrap. Data must be optional, this is the force unwrap, and print on this data. Suppose this is the credential object dot username, otherwise optional unwrap empty string, credential object dot password, otherwise empty string. Okay, now print on this. So optional credential is halat, and this is the print on this username, convert on this method user. Okay, now this is the we're going to print on this data model. So model is print on this model is this credential model. Okay, now we will discuss about generic is used to define reusable data type, reusable concept in this plan. So thank you for watching this video. You can enjoy and like my videos.